For question 1, you wanted us to add up all the dots between the polygons. So for the first one, that octagonal, I started off by adding all the dots down here, and then I soon found a close relationship between the number of dots added each time between each level. So during each level, 6 more dots were added to the previous amount of dots added. So for the first one, there's 1 dot, and then for the second one, there's 7 dots. And then the third number, there were 13 dots added, and then 4, there was 19 dots added. So each time is increasing by 6 dots added. And so then I found a formula for that, for the amount for n, and then the amount of dots added. So that formula was 6n minus 5, and then I did the rainbow pair method. And so I did the first term, and I paired it up with the last term, which was our 6n minus 5. And then the second term was 7, and I paired that up with 6n minus 11, because each time is decreasing by 6. And so then after adding those up, I kept getting 6n minus 4, and I knew that since there were 2 terms paired together, that there would be like 1/2 n would be the number of pairs, and then times the 6n minus 4. And then I simplified that to get 3n squared minus 2n. And then I kind of went about the same method for the decagonal. I first started adding up all the numbers in the decagons, and then I saw a close relationship that between every new level, 8 more dots were added to the total amount of dots added in the previous term. And then I again wanted to find the relationship between n and the number of dots added. So that I found was 8n minus 7. And then I did the rainbow pairs again. So I did the first term with the last term. So 1 plus the 8n minus 7. And I continued to do that with the rest and found that the common theme was 8n minus 6. And then again, since they were paired up, there were 1/2 n, because that was half the number of terms, and then I multiplied it by the 8n minus 6, and I simplified that out to get 4n squared minus 3n.